All right, what's up guys? Rob here from the Beard Club, and no, this is not the same video you've probably seen too many times and you're getting tired of seeing me. Hopefully not. This is a different video because we have an updated advanced growth kit from the Beard Club and we're gonna go through it, and I cannot wait to show you what is in the new advanced growth kit. When the day arrives that your mailman drops off this box, and as we say here, it's a good day when a Beard Club box arrives at your doorstep, because it is. Now you are going to receive the new Milo Derma Roller. I know, we've been listening to your comments. We get it. We have gotten every single message, every single email, every single comment that we need a Derma Roller. We get it, we listened, and now it's here. And this is the new Milo Derma Roller from the Beard Club. And yeah, we're excited, man. We put a lot of time into this. A lot of research went into making this Derma Roller. It's not just as simple as like, hey, we want to make a Derma Roller. We make it and then we ship it. It was a lot of back and forth, a lot of time. That's why it took us so long to release it to you guys, because we wanted to make sure that it was perfect. We wanted to make sure the quality was there, and we wanted to make sure that it was going to perform the way we say it's going to perform when you guys use it, right? And that's so important to us, is that you guys get quality. So first thing, when we pull it out, it comes in this nice sleeve. And what you want to make sure when you pull it out, guys, just check in the sheath or the jacket for the instruction pamphlet. It may get caught inside or it may get stuck underneath. So just make sure when you pull out the packaging that you do get the instructional packet, because this is going to walk you through exactly what you need to know for getting this new Derma Roller routine down. And then we move on to the Derma Roller itself. And the one cool thing that I love that we did is, once you pull this Derma Roller out, hey, good looking. We just wanted to leave you a little note, just to let you know who you are. So that's pretty cool. All right, so now that you got the Derma Roller in your hand and you're checking it out, you can tell the quality that went into this, because to be quite honest, we just wanted to build a Derma Roller or a tool that we just like using every day ourselves, right? So that's why all the time and research went into this. When you put it in your hand, man, it feels good. One solid piece of metal. It's not two pieces, not weighted. The metal of the Derma Roller itself has a nice weight to it, almost like when you put on a nice watch. Got the matte black finish, which I personally love, right? All black everything. And then to protect the needles, what we did was we made the cap into two pieces with a magnetic closure. So I don't know if you can hear that. So super easy, especially when you take it off if you're traveling. The one side of the cap actually has feet on it, so that when you put the Derma Roller down on your counter, it keeps it nice and elevated. Just a cool little design piece there. And then it splits apart, and now you have the Derma Roller and the needles exposed. So 540.5 millimeter titanium coated stainless steel needles. Whew, that was like the 20th time I did that take. Yeah, these little needles, it's probably hard to see on camera, but once you get in your hand, there are these micro, tiny little rows of needles. And what's gonna happen is these needles are going to gently puncture your skin. And when we do that, we're causing our body to react. And what our body does is it sends collagen-rich blood up to the surface where these little punctures occurred. And now the body starts to repair itself. And when it does that, it's going to allow those dormant hair follicles that have been stuck underneath the top layer of skin, now they have the freedom to grow out. And at the same time, if you're not using this for patchiness in your beard, and you just want to use it for a better complexion, maybe some crow's feet, or maybe some forehead lines, or maybe you have some acne scars from your teenage years, the same reaction is going to help improve some of those areas. So the skin's gonna repair itself, it's gonna smooth it out. So overall, you're gonna have healthier skin and a better complexion. If you're just a dude and you're like, cool man, that's like not for me, I just want a pretty rad beard, well, listen, this is what it's here for, okay? So once you're done with that, we also, if you click on the link, we already did a video on how to use the Derma Roller. Nick from our team went through an entire routine on how to use this step by step. So click on the link and you can watch that once you receive it. Okay, so let's jump back into the rest of the kit. So we'll start off first with the growth oil. So our Beard Club growth oil, which has 10 stimulating oils within it. It's going to help strengthen up the roots of your beard, right? We keep talking about strengthening up the roots, making everything healthy. So by applying this oil every day, you're giving your beard the nutrients it needs to grow in stronger, to grow in thicker. It's going to help alleviate that itch. I know a lot of you guys, when you start growing your beard, you get to like that 2-week mark and you just are scratching, itching. Don't be a quitter. Put the beard growth oil on, get through the itchy phase, right? They'll help you out. It'll come in, I'm telling you, it'll come in thicker, softer, right? It's all around good. Okay, next product, which is going to be the Growth Vitamin Spray. And this is a topical biotin nutrient-packed mist that is going to hit your beard and make sure it's moisturized. It's gonna rejuvenate those stagnant beard hairs. It's gonna make it smell good. And the way I like to use the spray is after my routine, right? So I shampoo in the shower. I come out, I dry, I detangle, I put in some beard oil. And then what I like to do is as I'm finishing up, or maybe after I'm dressed and I'm walking out the door and it's 20 minutes has gone by, I then just hit my beard a couple times. Again, that nutrient-packed mist landing on top of your beard, getting all the vitamins in, getting that topical biotin into your beard to make sure that it's hydrated. Make sure that it's moisturized. Make sure that it has everything it needs so it doesn't dry out during the day. That is when you're going to start itching your beard, is when it is not hydrated. So even if you're at work or you're coming out of the gym or you're in your car, you can hit your beard with the spray a couple times just to make sure that you're keeping it hydrated. And if you keep it hydrated, you're going to keep it healthy, all right? So, vitamin spray. Next product up, the Growth Vitamins. 20 essential vitamins in here. Vitamin D, biotin, MSM, zinc. What these vitamins are going to do is provide your body with the nutrients it needs to naturally grow your beard hair, okay? These aren't magic pills. This is just supplying your body the vitamins that it naturally wants and needs to grow a healthy, thicker beard, okay? It's pretty simple. Aside from beard growth, aside from getting the vitamins in, it's also going to help with your immune system. It's going to support it. It's also going to support a healthy testosterone production, which is super important for us guys. So all around, 2 in the day or 2 at night, just pick a time and just stay consistent. We already know that the guys who stay consistent with this, they are seeing results, okay? You can check out any of our before and after campaigns, and the guys, they go through it. They've talked about their routines using all of these products. The vitamins is one of their favorite additions to their daily routines. Okay, so next product is the beard shampoo. So talking about daily routines, this is going to be one of the first products you're probably going to introduce into your daily routine once you get a Beard Club kit, right? Because you're in the shower, you're getting ready for the day, or you're in the shower, it's at night, you went through your whole day, your beard has gotten dirty, it's gotten a little grimy, you're at work, you're at the gym, you're out riding moto, you're out on the lake, whatever it is, you wanna keep your beard clean. At the same time, we don't wanna use the off-the-shelf cleaners or shampoos or conditioners that your significant other or your wife has, because they are going to strip away the natural oils that our beard has and wants, whereas ours is designed to keep those oils and to make sure that your beard is clean. Make sure it's moisturized, it's refreshed. It has castor oil and rosemary extract, which is going to support the beard growth that you are supplying it with your products over here. So all around, the beard shampoo, keep it clean, keep it detangled. It's going to help eliminate beard dandruff. If you're suffering from that issue, this will help you with that as well, all right? And on to the last product. And this is more of another tool, if you will. This is the Beard Club Boar Bristle Brush. So this is going to help keep your beard looking nice, keep it detangled. It's gonna help give it shape. What I like to do with this brush is when I come out of the shower and I'm drying it off, I'll just get it down, tame it down a little bit. I take the oil, I put about a dime size, maybe a quarter size, depending on the size of your beard, into your hand, and you're gonna rub the oil through, work it in. Once you do, you're gonna take the brush, and then you're just gonna brush it through, and it's gonna give it this shape. This brush is pretty soft, right? So it actually feels pretty good once it hits your skin and your beard. It helps distribute all of the oils and all of the vitamins that we're supplying the beard. This brush helps distribute it evenly, okay? So that makes sure that all those vitamins are getting totally into your beard and that it's not getting tangled and that it looks good, it looks tame, right? You don't wanna look homeless out there with the beard. You wanna look good, you wanna keep it tight, right? And so this brush is going to help do that. So there you have it, guys. The Boar bristle brush, the Beard Club growth oil, the Beard Club growth vitamin spray, the growth vitamins, the beard shampoo, and the newest addition to the family, the Milo Derma roller. This is your Beard Club advanced growth kit. If you're looking to get in the game and grow your beard out, this is the kit you want, all right? So we are looking forward to having new beard brothers join the club. If you have any questions about this kit or about your beard or about us and how cool we are and how you want to be cool like us, send us a DM or shoot us an email, support@thebeardclub.com. Follow us on social media, subscribe to us on YouTube, check us out on TikTok, and we'll see you on the next one.